Hey friends, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I can't believe that we've been doing this for over a week already, but here we are. So today I wanted to show you this little box that we were making to put on our porch. It was so super easy that I almost didn't even make a video about it because it was just so simple to do, but I hope it just really lets our delivery drivers know how much that we super appreciate them this time of year. They really kind of bring Christmas to our doorstep. So I just took this box that was delivered, was a delivery box, and I just taped the sides up. It was kind of a little bit of a shallower box. I was gonna just cut those top parts off, but I thought just making it a little bit taller would be better. And then I'm just wrapping the front and the sides in this cute wrapping paper. I got this at Five Below, but it was only $1. So I am just going to wrap it up. I take an exceptionally long time lining those mittens up on the bottom of my box so they are perfectly even, but once I get that all set up, I just kind of wrap it like a present, but again, I didn't wrap it all the way around. I just kind of wrapped it on the bottom and then tucked the top inside of the box. Since this is the inside of the box, I wasn't too concerned about it being perfect, but I didn't want any of the paper to kind of like fly up or anything to happen if somebody was trying to grab something out of it. So I just went and took some extra pieces of tape and taped those insides down. And again, I wasn't really concerned about the back of the box. I was just kind of, saving wrapping paper. And I had this printable I got from Pinterest. I'll link the blog down below where I got it from. I just thought it was really cute. I liked that it was big enough to really draw the attention and that the delivery services were all in red. So hopefully they see them kind of quickly and they know that this is for them. I got this bag of snacks. I got it at Wal-Mart for about $6. And I just cut that open and I'm just filling the box with chips. I mean, I'm not even being fancy about it, just filling it up. I do plan to add some waters in here too, so they'll have waters in here and I can grab extra snacks all throughout December. And there it is. I just set it up on my porch on top of the crate that we have, our little kind of decorated spot here. And that's it. It's just kind of a small and easy project that you can do to just kind of show your gratitude to those bringing presents to your house. As always, you can find more from us here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow along all December long. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments, do you do any kind of random acts of kindness throughout the holiday season? Thanks, guys. Bye.